Lovely and lock the world and done. Lock the world and done. Lovely and your time come. Fake news no run. And you bring all the gal them fun. Sending us up to the time, you know it's Kartel. Representing for Lovely and TV. #1 vlogger. Done. Oh.
So the craziness just never stop. And based on how it look, them not planning for it stop either. What am I talking about? Well, for those who don't know, an office building shared by at least 7 attorney on Duke Street in downtown Kingston, which hosts documents crucial for at least 2 high-profile cases, including the Vybz Kartel murder matter, was totally destroyed by fire last Thursday. The Jamaica Fire Brigade Division, Commander for Kingston and St. Andrew, Superintendent Patrick Gooden, told the Jamaica Observer on Monday that all documents filed in cabinets, furniture, and other items went up in the blaze. At least one of the attorneys who used the building was said to have been a legal representative for reputed gangster Tesha Miller. John Clark, one of the attorneys who operate from the building, refused to comment on Monday, saying only, "I am still in the grieving process." According to the JFB's Gooden, the York Park Fire Station was alerted to the fire at 2:07 a.m. One unit from York Park responded, and when they arrived at the location, they realized the building was fully engulfed in flames, which required additional assistance from Trenchtown and Rollington Town Station, he said, adding that they eventually extinguished the blaze after about 6 hours. The building was constructed of concrete and steel. A section was covered by slab roofing and another section was covered by slab and zinc. It was totally destroyed, and we have not yet determined the cause, Gooden said. It's approximately 4 days now, but investigators have been there on several occasions trying to get details and trying to get as much evidence that can assist them to identify a cause. One of the things they identified was that the board roofing inside the building was something to pay attention to. Gooden added. The Jamaica Observer learned last week that lawyer representing Adidja Vybz Kartel Palmer were planning to file a habeas corpus application to have him released from prison, following the recent Privy Council ruling. But when the Observer called Kartel's lawyer Isaac Buchanan last week, he was dodgy and recommending that whoever gave wind of the plan should explain the details. However, on Monday, Jamaica received news that Kartel's legal team had filed a habeas corpus. When contacted on Monday, Buchanan said the habeas corpus hearing will take place on May 29 and 30th. Buchanan, who up to recently had an office in the building that was destroyed last week, said the application was made because of problem the defense did not wish to disclose or elaborate on. Why is that though? But anyhow, viewers, if this don't smell fishy to then I just don't know what to say. Because this ain't anything new. I saw them play the game. Them play it dirty. And yesterday this happened. We've been talk about this. In fact, remember the phone. Remember the specialist came down, checked the phone and realized that the phone was tampered with. And we've been said this from back in 2015 because people are not fool virgin. Because tell me this now. How the hell can a phone supposed to be in a station where it's supposed to be locked away for evidence? Very protected. You get me? Especially a high profile case such as Vybz Kartel. And you want to tell me, say, you have officers have the man phone, I use the man phone, I send off credit off of the man phone like some bitch. Like some female, brother. Oh, them even do that. What kind of style that? Them style and a style, virgin. And then they want to use the very same phone in evidence. It would want to come like, me send a man go buy a box juice. And the hombre bring back the box juice to me, pull. Am I supposed to drink that? Tell me now, am I supposed to drink that box juice? Suppose it's a hombre when I like me, I don't know. Suppose it's a friend in me, me can dash anything in the box juice. All if it even a friend. If you is a friend, you won't do that. So me not go drink that box juice because that can be poisonous. Anything him can put in it. Because why the hell would you pull a box juice and then bring it to me for drink? You crazy? So when it comes to this phone now, viewers and subscribers, to me, then they should have tossed out of evidence. And as it relates to this case, the lawyer's building that was burnt down, it is the same game. They are trying to destroy evidence, obviously, because as to what the fire brigade superintendent said, there is something to be take notice in the roof. seems like some cutout going on the roof or something of that nature. You understand me I say? And but no say most people are influenced by some of these vloggers. Yeah. They are highly influenced by some of these vloggers. But if you don't notice, listen how them talk out of emotion. Them not necessarily talk with facts. Them talk out of a place of hate when it comes to Vybz Kartel. I am not sure if Vybz Kartel, let's just say, slept with some of their females, or their wives, or their baby moms. But based on how them talk when it comes to Vybz Kartel, there is a bias. There is a bias. I don't care what anyone wants to say. Anybody with sense, anybody when take programs so easily can figure that out. Them can figure that out. And it has come to a point right now, viewers and subscribers, where to me, it's getting out of hand. And if you ask me, Jamaica justice system, I'm not sure if it's really and truly fair. And I say this on numerous occasions, because we say other case or similar case to Vybz Kartel. You remember the X6 man? We can't stop talk about that. We cannot stop talk about that. You understand me? We don't remember even Keith Clark, the businessman that was killed, that was murdered in the Tivoli Garden incursion. And I think them shot the brother around 20 at time. And them still try to find loophole for the man them will do that. Especially, in fact, a hella. Understand me I say? Not to mention, Chaja no star. Not to mention Kentucky Kid. What become of those person who killed that hombre? When you're doing the history, man, doing the research. Then you realize what man talk and I just talk because I have mouth. Because all these men got to work. Them not treat people, in fact, the justice system no work in a some people favor. Give thanks for Vybz Kartel. Lawyers, them do a good work, bring the case to Privy Council. All know what it is. And we still remain calm and I go and watch the process. Trust the process and watch it. Because we see freedom. Because when God says yes, it's your man to even try to say no. And if you are subscribers, for now, alright, this man leave this. But you know it go on a boy lovely and we always bring the latest to you as soon as possible. So until next time, big up on yourself every time. I'm out.